Kia ora. We finally made it to May. It's been a long season. So many early mornings and late nights. So many times wondering if the rain will ever stop. So many moments just watching over our cows, or stopping to enjoy the wonders of nature. Thank you to everyone who helped us through this season. We couldn't have done it without you. The saying goes, May is May. Meaning you never really know what May is going to throw at you. This year, May had a bit of everything. But one thing is for certain, grass growth slows down. So you have to start putting up more fences to push grass ahead of you to make it through. Thankfully, we always have some willing helpers. Overall, May was an excellent month. Unseasonably warm, in fact. To help the cows dry off, we feed out drier baleage to replace lush grass. Settled weather also meant the cows didn't damage any pasture before they go off for winter grazing. An important job at the runoff before winter is to tag our 80 heifers with their new herd number. Teamwork makes the dream work. In the final few days before dry off, we started marking the cows to identify which wintering group they will be in. We do this by calving dates. Finally, the big day arrives, our final milking, our final milk collection, the task of drying off the herd. Big thanks to Tautau Vets for their amazing help. And with that, the 2024-25 season is over. 185,000 kilograms of milk solids from 310 cows. Let's do it all again next season. Thanks for watching. Kirkitiano Matiwa.